Hello everyone, welcome back to Unwire. Okay, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are going to learn about numbers up to 1000. Have you ever seen numbers like 245, 678 or 999? Can you read them? Can you tell which one is bigger? Don't worry. After watching this lesson, you will be able to read, write, compare, and understand numbers up to 1000. So let's begin. What are numbers up to 1000? First, let's remember something we already know. We know numbers from 0 to 99. Today we are learning bigger numbers. Numbers from 100 to 999 are called three-digit numbers. The smallest three-digit number is 100. The greatest three-digit number is 999. After 999 comes 1000. Isn't that amazing? Now you know where the three-digit numbers begin and end. So let's remember hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, that was very funny. Okay, now let's learn how these numbers are made. 100, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Every three-digit number has three places. There are hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's look at the number 352. The number 3 is in the hundredth place. The number 5 is in the tens place. The number 2 is in the ones place. So we can read it as 300, 5 tens, and 2 ones. It's gone. Let's try another one. Yeah. Okay, look at 684. 600, 8 tens, 4, 1 ounce. Okay, very, extremely very easy. Easy. Okay, easy, easy, not easy, whatever. Okay, let's learn about plus value. Hello, let's learn about place value. Okay, place value means the value of a digit because of its place. Look at 572. The digit 5 is in the hundredth place. Its place value is 500. The digit 7 is in the tenth place. Its place value is 70. The digit 2 is in the ones place. Its place value is 2. So it's just like, then what's the number itself and what is the answer multiplying it with what which its places. If you say 2, the place value of the digit that says 2 will be 2 in the ones form. So 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. Its place value is 2. So the place of a digit changes its value. Now, I said like 2 in the column. If 2 is in the column, 2, okay, I said like 2. Now let's learn about face value. Okay? Face value is even easier. The face value is simply the digit itself. In 572, the face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 7 is 7. The face value of 2 is 2. That I already said. Okay? So that is face value. The face value never changes. Can't you remember the difference? Place value depends on the place. Face value is always the same. Okay? Okay. Hello, this is about expanded form. Yes, let's go. Okay, now we are learning about expanded form. Now let's break numbers into parts. This is called the expanded form. Look at 456. 456. It becomes 400 plus 50 plus 6. Let's try another one. 783 becomes 700 plus 80 plus 3. Expanded form helps us understand every digit better. Okay. Standard form. Hey, let's learn about standard form. Yes, I'm excited. Let's go right now. Okay, let's go and learn about standard form. Okay, now let's learn about standard form. Okay, now let's do the opposite of expanded form. Okay, now they gave an expanded form of a number, 600 plus 30 plus 8. Now you do the, find the standard form. That's all. When you just plus them. Okay, when we write it as one number, it becomes 638. This is called the standard form. Easy, right? Hey, let's learn about number names. Yes, I'm too excited. Let's go right now. Okay, prepare your body. Now we're all ready. Because now there's snow outside, but now we have shelter. Yes, let's go. Now to learn number names. Yes. Let's go to the museum and get know what a number names. Yes, let's go right now. I'm too excited. Yes, let's go. Okay, now we're learning number names. Now let's learn how to read numbers. 125. 125. Good job. 125. 348. 348. Good job. 999. 999. Good job. Just one more than the last number I just told you in this whole video is just one number less than. Not like one number, like it could be two, like only one less than coming to 1,000 that we're learning. Okay, we're to 1,000 numbers. 999. Good job. Awesome. Try reading these numbers with me. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Okay, now let's learn about. Hey, let's learn about abacus. Let's go to the zoo. Okay, but there's snow, so we need shelter. Yes, let's prepare our bags. Hey, now you're all ready to go to the museum and learn abacus. Yes, we can go right now. Yay, let's go right now. I'm too excited. Okay, let's go. Okay, now let's learn about abacus. Have you seen an abacus before? If you don't, here you can see. This is an abacus. You see the upper beats? Differ 5 times the place value they are. Okay, like the value they are. Okay, now let's make the number they say. 100. Like, have you seen an abacus before? I think no. You think yes. Whatever. I think yes or no. Okay. So if you don't see this, and if you have seen it before, still I need to show you, because we are learning on abacus now. We are learning abacus. You think like these beads were not even like, why are these beads like, how is this a math tool? Actually, you see these are 1. Okay, but the column they are. Then these are 5. The column they are. Okay, That's all. That's all remembering in this. Okay, 4 beats in hundreds. 4 beats in hundreds. This is the hundreds columns. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on to 1 trillion. Okay, so hundreds column has 4 hundreds. So that means 400. But if we add 2 beats in tens column, it is 420. But if we add, look, you see these beats here to like some beats else, like this beat and all the left beats, forget these. They're like, pretend they're like not over here, they're up. And this beat is properly down. Okay, that means now the number is 425. Good job. The number is 425. The abacus makes counting easy and fun. Haha. Oh my God. Hey, listen about comparing numbers. Yes, let's go to the museum. But hey, it's snow outside and we need jackets because it's some thunder and lightning. Okay, let's prepare our earrings so we don't hear something. Yes. Now let's get our jackets. Now we are ready to go to the museum. I'm too excited. Let's go right now. Yes. Let's go. Me too. Okay. Okay. Now let's learn about comparing numbers too. Sometimes we need to know which number is bigger. We use 3 signs: greater than, less than, and equal to. Equal is like 2 lines. If the numbers are equal. Less than is like if one number is less and the other number is greater, you use that sign. If one number is greater and one number is smaller, it's greater than. Okay. Let's compare 2 numbers. 425 and 452. Remember, 425 is written over here. 452 is written over here. Now let's first compare the hundreds. 4. Both have 4 hundreds. Now compare the tens. 2 tens is smaller than 5 tens. So 475 is less than 452. Now compare 873 and 873. They're equal, so we use the equal sign between them. So we use the equal sign. Hey, listen about a founding form. I love to learn about it. Okay, listen, but hey, there is some I'm joking, just some snow. Yes, oh no, let me think. Hey, we can get our box and put them. Yes, smart. Yes, thank you. Get on me. Hey, why don't you not down? Try to be like pew. Okay, pew. Okay, now it's done. Let's go to the museum to learn the funny form. Yes, I'm excited too. Yes, me too. A lot. Yes, me a lot. Okay, let's learn about the finding form order too. The finding order means smallest to biggest. Look at these numbers: 345, 210, 789, 456. Ascending order is 210, 345, 456, 789. Very good. Now let's learn the descending order, opposite of it. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Using the same numbers, the descending form is 789, 456, 345, 210. Excellent. Before, after, and between. Let's play a quick game. What comes before 500? 499. Good job. What comes after 500? 500. 501. Good job. What number comes between 698 and 700? 699. Good job. Great job. Greatest and smallest two-digit numbers. Can you remember these? The smallest two-digit number is 100. The greatest two-digit number is 999. Keep these numbers in your mind. They are very important. Let's practice together. Let's answer a few questions. What is the place value of 8 in 842? Yes, 800. Wonderful. What is the expanded form of 621? 600 plus 20 plus 1. Good job. Excellent. Which number is greater? 725 or 752? Good job. 752 because 7, same. 5, 2 is lesser. 725 and less is less than 752. Or you can say 700. Oh, okay. If you mean like 725 or 752 is which is rare, we'll use the we read them like on the starting corner, like the opposite and the left bit. So if we read on 725 or 752, the answer will be 752. But we need the less than sign. That means okay. The answer is 752. Fantastic. Let's do a quick recap. Hey, let's do a quick recapping to be soon. That was fast. Today we learned numbers up to 1,000, hundreds, tens, and ones, place value, base value, expanded form, standard form, number name, abacus, comparing numbers, ascending order and descending order, and greatest and small two-digit numbers. One more. That means learn. You did an amazing job today. Congratulations. Now you know how to read, write, and compare numbers up to 1,000. Keep practicing every day and you will become even better at math. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Unwire. Okay, join our Telegram channel for more fun learning videos. That's good if you do it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye everyone.
Here's your reminder. Thyroid test.
Alexa, stop. Okay, that was just AI. Bye everyone.